Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will show you beautiful stone painted crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So viewers, let's start today's video. Friends, this is a very simple and relaxing art ideas. You can use nature stones and turn them into something creative. First, collect some stones, wash them properly, and let them dry. Now choose your favorite color. You also need brushes and pencil. Let's start with a simple flower design. Take a stone and draw a flower shape with a pencil. Now use bright color and paint the pattern. Add green leaves around it. And friends, so viewers, next idea is viewers. Friends, make energy stones. Paint a yellow circle on stones. Add eyes and different expression like happy or sad. This is very funny and easy. Now try animal painting. Draw small fish or bird shape. Fill it with colors and eyes and tiny details. It look very cute. You can also use decorative stones for your garden. Write simple words like love, peace, or welcome. Paint them beautifully and place them in your garden. And friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon.